How's it going? Rob Williamson here at Fabco's showroom. I just want to take a quick minute to teach you guys a little bit about our StormSack Plus. Our StormSack Plus is a catch basin insert, and it's a geotextile filter designed for capturing sediment, trash, and all sorts of other debris. The Plus model is really cool. It has adjustable flanges. So each flange that you see here that rests on the great support ledge comes out from the minimum 2.5 inches for a total adjustment range of 5 inches in the X and the Y direction. It also features a protected bypass, so if it ever becomes full with debris, you don't need to worry about flooding the streets. And the protected bypass actually prevents the resuspension of floating debris, so you never have to worry about it exiting the sack and entering the catch basin. Another feature of our Plus sack is that it contains an HDPE mesh liner, which adds durability and makes it extremely easy to clean with a vac truck. And finally, our Plus models also all come with a replaceable oil boom for hydrocarbon absorption. Our StormSack Pluses we actually make in multiple configurations, including round and offset. So if you ever have a drain that you're not sure that we have a unit for, just contact sales at fabco-industries.com and we'll find the best product for you.